Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making mochi with Mitarashi sauce. Boiled soft mochi is served with homemade sweet and salty Mitarashi sauce. This sauce is originally for Mitarashi Dango, skewered and grilled mochi balls. But today we are using the packaged mochi to make it simple. These are the ingredients. You can buy packaged mochi at Japanese markets or online. For complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we are going to make the sauce. In a small pot, put potato starch, soy sauce, sugar, and water, and mix. Stirring constantly, cook until thickened, and set aside and keep warm. Next, we cut the mochi pieces in half. These are dried packaged mochi and unsweetened. Bring the water to a boil and cook the mochi pieces in boiling water for a couple of minutes until soft. Remove from the water and serve on a plate. Pour the warm Mitarashi sauce over. Serve immediately and eat when it's nice and warm. Soft and gooey mochi is coated with the soy sauce flavored sweet sauce. This is super easy to make and so tasty. Perfect for an afternoon snack. 美味しい。